Connecting 10 easy fixes. Fix 1, restart Palworld in your PC. 1, close Palworld completely. 2, open Task Manager with Control-Shift-S key. 3, make sure Palworld is no longer running. 4, restart your PC. 5, launch Palworld again. And fix 2, verify Palworld game files. Steam, open Steam. 2, go to Library. 3, right-click Palworld. 4, select Properties. 5, click Installed Files. 6, select Verify Integrity of Game Files. 7, wait until the verification finishes. 8, start Palworld. Fix 3, update graphics drivers. 1, open your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics software. Check for available driver updates. 3, download and install the latest compatible driver. 4, restart your PC. 5, launch Palworld. Fix 4, update Palworld. 1, open Steam. 2, go to Library. 3, right-click Palworld. 4, select Properties. 5, open Updates. 6, make sure automatic updates are enabled. 7, install any available update. 8, restart Steam and launch the game. Fix 5, disable overlays. Temporarily disable overlays such as Steam Overlay, Discord Overlay, NVIDIA Overlay, Xbox Game Bar. Then restart Palworld and check if the crashing or disconnecting continues. Fix 6, lower graphics settings. 1, launch Palworld. 2, open Settings. 3, go to Graphics for lower demanding settings such as view distance, shadows, effects, and textures. 5, apply the changes. 6, restart the game. Fix 7, remove overclocking. 1, open your GPU CPU tuning software. 2, reset custom overclock settings to default. 3, apply the settings. 4, restart your PC. Launch Palworld again. Fix 8, check your internet connection. 1, close Palworld. 2, restart your router. 3, wait for the connection to return. 4, close other apps using a lot of bandwidth. 5, reconnect your PC to the network. 6, launch Palworld and test multiplayer. Fix 9, allow Palworld through Windows Firewall. 1, open Windows Security. 2, go to Firewall and Network Protection. 3, select Allow an app through Firewall. 4, click Change Settings. 5, make sure Palworld is allowed on the appropriate network. 6, click OK. 7, restart Palworld. Fix 10, reinstall Palworld. 1, open Steam. 2, go to Library. 3, right-click Palworld. 4, select Manage Uninstall. 5, restart your PC. 6, install Palworld again. 7, launch the game and test multiplayer.